Hi, so this is Board of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to plant the lemongrass. Normally we eat what we grow in Thailand, so that I got inspired to grow this lemongrass in Sweden. I know it's not going to be easy, but let's try. And today I'm going to use the normal planting soil and some coffee grounds. Today I use the 11-inch pot or 9-liter pot. It's about right portion of the planting soil here. I'll add a little bit of coffee grounds onto the soil. And I make some holes for my lemongrass. 2 weeks ago, I bought the lemongrass for cooking, and this is the leftover of it. I put this part into the water. It took 2 weeks, and now here it is, very strong and be ready for planted. Coffee grounds is a good source of mineral for our plants. They're looking good, and the last step, I'm gonna pour some water in it. And this is how I grow the lemongrass. I am no expert in growing this kind of plant in the Scandinavian condition. If anyone has any tips, please let me know and give me some comments. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can visit my website worldofthaifood.com. You can also visit my Facebook and Instagram. For today, have a very nice and spicy day. And in a few weeks, let's see how much this thing gonna grow. Bye bye! Hello, Ducky. There's a garbage in your house. Let me take it out for you. I don't think you fetch. Let me throw it away for you guys.